Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Very good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
sir. Good morning. Yeah, ma'am.
കൊറേ കാലം മാറി നിന്നിട്ടല്ലേ?
കുറെ കാലം മാറി നിൽക്കുക.
ഇത് എവിടെയായിരുന്നു?
നമ്മളിവിടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്.
ശരി.
എന്തുകൊണ്ട് വിശേഷം?
സുഖം സുഖം സുഖം.
ഓക്കെ. ഒരാഴ്ച കൊണ്ട് ഇത്ര 3 സുഖങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒരാഴ്ച കാണാതിരുന്നു.
കുറച്ചധികം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചോളൂ. നല്ലല്ലേ?
ഓക്കെ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഷം സാർ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? മ്യൂട്ടാട്ടോ.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Okay.
Yes, ബഷീർ സാർ ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്.
ആദ്യം അർദ്ധനാരീശ്വര ക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ.
എല്ലാരും റെഡി അല്ലേ? എന്നാ വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആയിക്കോളാം. ഐശ്വര്യമായിട്ട് എല്ലാരും കൂടെ.
എപ്പോഴേ ഓണാക്കി?
ആഹാ, വിജയേട്ടാ എന്താണ് വിശേഷം?
സുഖമെന്ന് പറയാം. കുറച്ച് ദിവസം ഹോസ്പിറ്റലായി.
ഓ, നന്നായി പോയി. രാധാമണി മാഡം. യെസ്, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്.
കുറേ ദിവസമായല്ലോ കണ്ടിട്ട്. എവിടെ മുങ്ങിയായിരുന്നു?
മുങ്ങിയതല്ല, ഞാൻ 1-2 ചെറിയ കുഞ്ഞു കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാരണം.
ഓക്കെ. നൈസ് ടു സീ യു ബാക്ക്.
ഓ, സന്തോഷം.
അത് ഒന്നുകൂടി സ്ഫുടം ചെയ്തെടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മുങ്ങിയതാ.
ഗ്രേറ്റ് നൈസ്.
ഓക്കെ, നമുക്കിത് ആരംഭിക്കാം. നൗഫൽ സാർ ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ്. ഹൈദർ സാർ നമസ്കാരം.
Yes. Good morning.
നിങ്ങൾ പിന്നെ ചെറുപ്പായിട്ട് വരും കേട്ടോ, ഒരാഴ്ച കൊണ്ട്.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് മാഡം. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. യെസ്, ഇഷാം സാർ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ?
Okay.
Right. Good morning to all. The meeting in connection with the 7 AM morning drive is hereby called to order. ഇന്ന് 2024 ജൂലൈ മാസം 28-ാം തീയതി ഞായറാഴ്ചയാണ്. ഞായറാഴ്ച എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാവരും മുന്നിൽ നമുക്ക് റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കാനുള്ള ദിവസമാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇന്നത്തെ ദിവസത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെറിയൊരു ചേഞ്ച് വരുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഒരു ദിവസം നമ്മൾ ഇനി എല്ലാ സൺഡേയും നമ്മൾ 1 മണിക്കൂറായിരിക്കും സെഷൻ എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഈ 1 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി ഒന്ന് ബെറ്റർ ആക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ പോയാൽ പോരാ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കൃത്യം ബോധ്യത്തോടു കൂടി തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഇപ്പം നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു ലെവലപ്പ്, ആ ഒരു ലെവലപ്പ് തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ അരമണിക്കൂർ പോരാ, എല്ലാ സൺഡേയും നമുക്ക് 1 മണിക്കൂർ വീതം ആക്കണം. അപ്പൊ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കാം, ഹിന്ദിയിലായിരിക്കാം, മൊത്തത്തിലെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് നമ്മൾ ചെറിയൊരു മാറ്റം വരുത്തുന്നുണ്ട്. പലരും വിചാരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടാവും ഇപ്പൊ എന്റെ മുന്നിലുള്ള 47 പേരുണ്ട്, 47 പേരും ഇംഗ്ലീഷുമാണ്, ഹിന്ദിയാണ്. ജാങ്കോ ഞാൻ പെട്ടു എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ജയപ്രകാശ് സാറിന്റെ മുഖത്ത് ഞാൻ വായിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നത്. ജയപ്രകാശ് സാറെ അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമല്ല. കാരണം നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഒരു ലെവല് പോരാ എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ബോധ്യമുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് ചെറിയൊരു ലാംഗ്വേജ്, പ്രീജ മേഡത്തെ കുറെ കാലത്തിന് ശേഷമാണ് ഞാൻ കാണുന്നത്. വളരെ സന്തോഷം. അപ്പൊ പ്രീജ മേഡം നമ്മുടെ മൊത്തത്തിലൊരു ഫ്ലുവൻസി ഒന്ന് കൂട്ടുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അതുതന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു 1 അവർ കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അതിലേക്കുള്ള ഒരു ആദ്യത്തെ ചുവടുവെപ്പ് തന്നെയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ ഒരു സെഷൻ എന്നുള്ളത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഞാൻ പതിപോലെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്ന നമ്മുടെ ചിത്ര മാഡം, ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. പലരും എന്നെ പേഴ്സണലി കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ചിത്ര മാഡത്തെ കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. ഇഷാം സാർ പ്ലീസ് നോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. ചിത്ര മാഡത്തെ കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. ഒരു ദിവസം ചിത്ര മാഡത്തെ എല്ലാവരും കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കണം, ഇതാണ് ചിത്ര മാഡം എന്നുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മുടെ സോൺ 28-ന്റെ നായിക ശ്രീമതി ചിത്ര മാഡം. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ എന്നും ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ താങ്ങും തണലുമായി ബാക്ക് ബോണായി നിന്ന ഹിഷാം സാർ തന്നെയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ട്രെയിനർ. ഹിഷാം സാർ വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ തുടങ്ങുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ ഒരു സൺഡേ 1 മണിക്കൂറിലെ സെഷൻ, ആദ്യത്തെ സെഷൻ ഹിഷാം സാർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഏതൊരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെയും നമുക്കറിയാം, എന്തൊരു പ്രോഗ്രാമൊക്കെ വിട്ടേക്ക്, എന്തൊരു കാര്യം തന്നെ ആയാലും തുടക്കം നന്നായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒടുക്കം നന്നായി എന്നാണ് പറയാ, അല്ലേ? തുടക്കം നന്നായി അതിന് ഒടുക്കം നന്നായി. അതിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചുവടുവെപ്പ് തന്നെയാണ് ഹിഷാം സാറുടെ ആ ഒരു സെഷൻ നമ്മൾ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ ഞാൻ പതിവ് പോലെ പറഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ വിജയം എന്നുള്ളത് എന്റെ മുന്നിൽ സന്നിധരായിട്ടുള്ള ഏകദേശം 49-50 പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ് തന്നെയാണ് ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ വിജയം. ഇന്നലെ ഞാൻ ഇതിലൊരു മെസ്സേജ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടിരുന്നു. എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ട്രെയിനർക്ക് ഏറെ ഗുണമായിരിക്കുന്നു. എനിക്കറിയാം ഞായറാഴ്ചയാണ്, ഉറക്കത്തിന്റെ ആ ഒരു ചടുലത പലരും മുഖത്തുനിന്ന് വിട്ടുമാറിയിട്ടില്ല വീഡിയോ ഓണാക്കിയവരെ. പക്ഷെ ഓണാക്കാത്തവരെ അതിന്റെ പ്രിപ്പറേഷനിലായിരിക്കും എന്നതാണ്. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ പ്രത്യേകത ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ സൂമിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു ബ്രേക്ക്ഔട്ട് റൂം ഉപയോഗിച്ച് സിസ്റ്റം ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നിങ്ങളെ പല ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളാക്കും. അപ്പൊ ആ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഇപ്പോ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് ഹൈദരലി സാറും JK സാറും ഷിനു സാറൊക്കെ ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ നമ്മളെ അറബുഗൻ സാറ് ഒരു കാണാത്ത ഒരാളാണെങ്കിൽ ഉറക്കം തൂങ്ങിയ പോലെ ഫീൽ ചെയ്യും. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമാണ് നിങ്ങളെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലുള്ളവരെ വിളിച്ചുണർത്തുക എന്നുള്ളത്. ആ രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോ കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തർ ഗ്രൂപ്പായി മാറ്റും. ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും, ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ചർച്ചകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ ചർച്ചകൾ നമുക്ക് പുതിയ ആശയങ്ങൾ വരും. അപ്പൊ നൗഫൽ സാറൊക്കെ അതിന് നേതൃത്വം കൊടുക്കണം എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തന്ന കാര്യം, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് സംസാരം നീണ്ടതെന്ന കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമ്മൾ 1 മണിക്കൂർ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാക്കി എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ ഒരു ഇൻട്രോ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ 7:30 ആരും വൈൻഡപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് പോകരുത്. പ്രത്യേകം പറയാം, നമ്മൾ 7:30 എന്നുള്ള ഒരു അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്നലെ തന്നെ ഞാനും ഇഷാം സാറും കൂടി ഡിസ്കഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇന്നലെ തന്നെ മെസ്സേജ് ഇട്ടത് എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് 1 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് മാറ്റി വെക്കാം, എല്ലാം മറന്ന്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ മറ്റൊരു കാര്യം, എടുത്തു പറയത്തക്ക ഒരു കാര്യം, നമ്മൾ ഫിസിക്കൽ ഗാദറിംഗ് വരുന്നുണ്ട് 250ാമത്തെ ദിവസത്തിന് അടുത്ത് വരുന്ന നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സൂട്ടബിൾ ആയിട്ട് സൺഡേ ആയിരിക്കും. അന്ന് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നേരിട്ട് കാണാം. ഷിനു സാർ വർക്കലയിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ ടിക്കറ്റ് ഒക്കെ നേരത്തെ റെഡിയാക്കി വെച്ചുകൊള്ളുക. കുറച്ച് ദൂരം ഉണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് അറിയാം. അപ്പോൾ ആ രീതിയിലുള്ള പ്ലാനിങ് നടക്കുക. ചന്ദ്രിക മാഡം ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് മുങ്ങുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് പലരും എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഫിസിക്കൽ ഗാദറിങ് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം ചന്ദ്രിക മാഡം ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രൈസ് അടിച്ചെടുത്തത്. ഇപ്രാവശ്യം അത് ഇഞ്ചോടിഞ്ച് പോരാട്ടമായിരിക്കും എന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്. പ്രീജ മാഡം ഒക്കെ ആ ലെവലിൽ തന്നെ തയ്യാറായിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഈ സെഷനിൽ കിടക്കുന്നതിന് തൊട്ട് മുന്നേറ്റ് ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടി സൂചിപ്പിച്ചോട്ടെ. ഞാൻ മുന്നേ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ ഈ ഒരു നമ്മുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി ഒന്നും കൂടി ബെറ്റർ ആക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അത് മിക്കവാറും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഓർ ഹിന്ദി എന്നായിരിക്കും. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ ഇഷാം സാർ, നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്? ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആണോ ഹിന്ദി ആണോ?
ഇംഗ്ലീഷാണ് ഇപ്പൊ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഭാവിയിൽ ഹിന്ദി വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ഹിന്ദിയും.
ഓക്കെ, ഇന്ന് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് നമ്മളെ സെഷൻ പോകുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പൊ ആ രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് തയ്യാറെടുക്കാം. അപ്പൊ എന്തിനാണ് ഈ ഒരു ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി നമ്മൾ ബെറ്റർ ആക്കുന്നത് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാലേ, ഒരു ഉദാഹരണം പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ബാർബർ ഷാപ്പ് പോയി. ബാർബർ ഷാപ്പ് പോയപ്പോൾ മൊത്തം ഹിന്ദിക്കാരാണ്. എനിക്കാണെങ്കിൽ ഹിന്ദി വലിയ ഐഡിയ ഇല്ല, വലിയ ധാരണ ഒന്നുമില്ല. നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ വെച്ച് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ മുന്നോട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ബയ്യാന്നൊക്കെ വിളിച്ച് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ മുടി ഒന്ന് വെട്ടണം. മുടി വെട്ടാൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഹിന്ദിക്കാരൻ പറഞ്ഞു മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റണ്ടേ. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, ബയ്യ ഇതറാവോ. തല ഇങ്ങനെ കുനിച്ചു നിർത്തി കാണിച്ചു കൊടുത്തു. മുടിയുടെ പുറകിൽ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കുച്ചു 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 ഇങ്ങനെ റൊട്ടേഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഫ്രണ്ടില് ബഡാ ബഡാ. അപ്പൊ ഹിന്ദിക്കാരൻ ചന്ദ്രയ മേഡം ഓക്കെ, അവിടെ ചന്ദ്രനെ പൊട്ടിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ, കുച്ചു 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 ഫ്രണ്ടില് ബഡാ ബഡാ എന്ന് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുത്തു. പറ്റുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ വരയിട്ടോളാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോ ഹിന്ദിക്കാരൻ പയ്യ എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞെന്താ അറിയോ, സേട്ടാ എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി, മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി എന്നുള്ളത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ, സൈഡൊക്കെ നന്നായിട്ട് കുറയ്ക്കണം, ഫ്രണ്ട് കുറയ്ക്കണ്ട, ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ കഷണ്ടിയായി തുടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നു, ഫ്രണ്ട് വെട്ടണ്ട, സൈഡൊക്കെ വെട്ടിയാൽ മതി. അപ്പോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വന്ന കാര്യം എന്താ വെച്ചാല്, പുറമേ ഉള്ള ആളുകൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് നന്നായി മലയാളം പഠിച്ചു. പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ ആക്ച്വലി ഇപ്പോഴും മറ്റുള്ള ലാംഗ്വേജ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ് എന്റെ വാസ്തവം. നമ്മളിപ്പോഴും ആ മലയാളത്തിൽ തന്നെ കടിച്ചു നീങ്ങി നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇനി മുതലുള്ള സൺഡേകൾ നമ്മൾ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഈ സോണിന്റെ നമ്മുടെ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ അമരക്കാരനായിട്ടുള്ള ഇഷാം സാർ, അദ്ദേഹം വളരെ രാവിലെ ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ ഞാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്, അദ്ദേഹം ആക്ച്വലി ഒരു ട്രെയിനർ എന്നുള്ള ലെവലിൽ വളരെ മനോഹരമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കറുത്ത കോട്ടൊക്കെ ഇട്ട് വളരെ ഒരു ട്രെയിനറുടെ എന്തൊക്കെ വേണം അത് എല്ലാവിധ സംഗതികളിലും കൂടി അത് വേഷവിധാനത്തിൽ നടത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനി അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ശബ്ദ സൗകുമാര്യം എന്താണ് നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചറിയാം. ഇഷാം സാർ, ഫ്ലോർ ഇസ് യുവർ. താങ്ക് യു.
Okay, thank you all. Very warm good morning to all 7 AM morning participants. And firstly, I am thanking you, Srijit Sirakkal, the chairman of today's program, for introducing me. Now, the 241th day of the 7 AM morning drive. You all are very well know about the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Anyone noticed about it or not? Anyone? Hello?
I have not noticed that. Not
Professional excellence.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct. Unlocking professionalism for the personal excellence. What are the things we want to know or we want to discuss in the professionalism in our personal life, in our professional life, in our career, in our study life, in our job, etc., etc. So first I am going to make a poll in this group. Please reply in that poll. I think everyone got the poll. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Please make it answer. The question is the professionalism. Professionalism is where? In your personal life, or in your business excellence, or in your family life, or in our organization, or all of the above. What is your answer? Make it fast.
Sir,
I have
water.
some seconds to make a poll. Twenty-seven participants is polled now. 29 participants polled now. Okay, 32 participants polled now. Still remaining 71 participants is there. I think everyone understood about that. Please poll. What is your answer? In professionalism, in unlocking professionalism, where we want to make the professionalism? In our personal life, or in our business excellence, or in our family life, or in our organization commitment, or all of the above?
Sir, show please. Show please.
What, sir?
Poll. Just to show us. Display.
Screen sharing. Screen sharing of this.
I think the poll is there. Is it right?
And
No,
it will
no.
be there in front of all, on the
Yes.
screen, unless it is,
There is a poll in front of your screen.
No, sir.
unless it is polled, it will be, unless it is submitted, it will be there.
If you are submitted, then there is no available.
Yes.
Okay, I think everyone done. Total 41 answers I got out of now 43. Out of 43, 33 persons are polled all the above. Out of 44, 33% are polled all the above in professional life, in personal life, in business life, family life, organization life, etc. In 7 persons in personal life only, 3 persons in business excellence only, 1 person in family life only, 0% in organization only. So total 45% now itself polled. So we want to discuss. I am going to end the poll now. Okay, thank you all for your support. I just to make this poll only to aware of this everyone is there active or not, to understand about you are active or not, or you are bothered about today's topic or not. Today I am going to discuss about the professionalism. I am going to share my screen. Please say okay if the screen is showing to you.
Yes.
Screen is in full screen mode.
Yes.
Full screen mode or not?
Yes, it is there.
Yes, it's full screen.
Okay. Thank you. We are going to you can see the picture of this professionalism. How we want to unlock our professionalism in our life, in various situations, in various scenarios, in various organization, in our personal life, etc. We want to analyze what are the things we want to know. The next slide. The slide is changed or not?
No, not yet.
Now I think slide is changed.
Yes.
Yes. What are the importance of the professionalism? In everywhere, if you are doing some business, there should be an importance of that business. What is the importance of that business? What is the purpose of that business? So in everywhere there is a professionalism also. What all are the importance of this professionalism? If we want to keep professionalism in our life, what is the importance? If we want to keep professionalism in our job, what is the importance of that professionalism? If we are keep professionalism in our interpersonal relationship, what is the importance of that? Anyone can use the chat, or you can unmute and say, what are the things, or what are the importance of the professionalism? Why we need the professionalism? Why we need the professionalism?
We
It was
can
Professionalism
lead a systematic life.
Yeah, to make a systematic life. Chandrika madam, congratulations. Thank you.
Professionalism makes success. Professionalism makes success.
Professionalism makes success. If you want to success in your life, if you want to success in your life, business, you should do a professionalism. You should follow the professionalism. Any other person?
Increase creativity.
To do the job effectively.
It improve our lifestyle. A message is it improves our message is gone, I think. It improves our lives. And another person say,
Improves creativity.
improves creativity. Creativity. Then
To perform the task effectively.
to perform the task effectively, we all are got the very different tasks according to our job, according to our personal life. We have the tasks to complete the task according to the time management, according to the punctual time, within the time limits. Then we should follow the professionalism. Any other answers?
Also improve work satisfaction.
Also improve the work satisfaction. If you are doing a business, if you are selling a product, if you are selling your service, if you are communicating with your personal friends or family friends, if you want to satisfy them, you will be in a professional manner. You will be behaved to them in a professional manner. Okay, I got the so many answers. So everyone, including me, all are know the what are the professionalism things, what are the professionalism we want to follow. But the only thing, if we are follow it or not, then only we will come. The one person answered, we will become success. So if you want to the success, we want to follow this. The knowledge is everything, everywhere. I know knowledge is everywhere, from the child to adult person. Everywhere the knowledge is there. We have the knowledge about it. We have the knowledge of the professionalism. We have the knowledge of how to handle a business. We have the knowledge of the interpersonal relationship skills. We have the knowledge of another soft skills. But why we don't follow that? Why are you waiting to follow that? What is the purpose of waiting to follow that? We want to follow that. That's the difference between the knowledge and the wisdom. If you have the knowledge, we want to we want to apply in our practical life. We want to apply in our practical life. We want to apply in our personal life. We want to apply in our professional life. So then only we can get
Success. Success.
Then we can get the success. If you want the success, we want to the next we are going to the professionalism. The main thing of the professionalism, to unlock our professionalism. The professionalism is there. Professionalism is there in your inside. Professionalism is there in your office. Professionalism in your house. How we can unlock that? In everyone's mind, there is a professionalism. But how we can unlock that and to become practically applied? That the four important things I am going to discuss. The first one, appearance. The second one, communication. The third one, time management. The fourth one, continuous learning. The many points will be there. I am going to discuss today. In today's session, only 1 hour session, I am going to discuss these 4 points only. The first one is appearance. The second one is communication. The third one is time management. The fourth one is continuous learning. So first we are going to the appearance. How you are appearing in your personal life. What are the things come to your mind when I am saying about appearance? You can use the chat box or unmute your and say. What are the things come to your mind?
Always neat and tidy.
Yes, always neat and tidy. You should be neat and tidy. The Suja madam, dressing style. Yes, your dressing style. Your dressing style is adaptable to your going. Where are you going? Nawaz sir, personal grooming. Yes, the grooming. Why? Which type of grooming you have done? Your dressing style is adaptable or is adaptable to the meeting you are attending. Your dressing style is adaptable to the business you are doing. In what type of the dress you are wearing, what type of the grooming you are done, what type of the appearance you are showing in front of the society, what type of the appearance you are showing in front of the your audience, what type of the appearance you are showing in front of your customer, in front of your business persons, in front of your family persons. That is the thing, appearance. In appearance, I am going to discuss about the first thing is the personal thing. Yes, body language. Go back, sir. Body language, etc. Many answers is there. First thing, in our personal life, how we are dressing, how we are going to impress our first impression. The second thing is how we are managing our personal, our business space, our office, our institutions, our house, etc. How you are managing your house neatly or not. How you are organizing your house, how you are organizing your office table, how you are organizing your laptop, how you are organizing your mobile phone, how you are organizing your job atmosphere. These all are coming under the appearance. If you are groomed well with a well neat dress, well neat hairstyle, well neat shoe, and etc. All are neating, but your office space is in a very bad manner. Then what we can do? The customers is looking that the one of your friend is coming to your house and looking like everything is unorganized. You are searching for one thing that take at least 30 to 1 hour to take that thing from an unorganized house, from unorganized office, because there is no organization, there is no proper place for everything. So first, you are going to, we are all 7 a.m. morning drive participants, all are going to a tour, all are going to a picnic for a Kodaikanal, and we are booked a hotel room in the online, and we are entering to that room. The room is like this. I think you are showing the you are showing the photo. Then what is the things coming to your mind? What the things you are coming to your mind for first time? Are you recommending this room to anyone else?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Are you again book this room in future?
Never.
No. Yeah. So please think everything in us, in our mind, how we behave when that situation come to face. Always we think about that, how we facing a problem, what we think about that, what we respond about that. That's like our friends is responding, our partner is responding, our child is responding, our parents is responding, our customers is responding, our society is responding. So we should focus how your room, how your house, how your office table, how your house is neat or unneat. The second thing, if you have booked the Kodaikanal room, that looks like this. The first impression is the best impression. That looks like this. Then you will recommend it or not? Hello.
Yeah, sure.
You recommend it because only the appearance of that room. They appear in very well. They can identify the pain point of the customer. They can identify or satisfy the need of that customer, that need of a common man. This is satisfying. This room is satisfying the common things in our mind. Then we are going to a hotel to eat food in our Kodaikanal. We are entering to a hotel. The hotel table is looking like this. What you feel? You are eat food from that hotel or not?
No.
No, we can't able to eat order food from that hotel. We will never enter to that hotel in our life. We will not recommend in any time. We will not make a good review to that Google page, because only due to this appear, because only due to this problem happened in their venue or in their hotel. This is the thing. So we are going to that hotel. The thing is like this. Very neat, very clean. The chairs, the plates, or etc. The tables, the atmosphere, scenario, all are changed. How you looking like that? How you feel that?
Happy. Happy.
Feeling good, feeling nice, feeling happy. Happy to see like that. Well, like this hotel, we are waiting for a long time. We have no any problems. We have comfortable. The hotel making this type of atmosphere, making the comfortable, the audience comfortable, the person, customers. So we want to comfortable our customers. We want to make comfortable our guests who are coming to our house or coming to our office or coming to talk with us. So they want to be comfort. So we want to think about that. The next thing. Our office table is looking like this. The two things is there. One person is coming to you to talk with you. How they can talk with you like this? Minds are very blessing. How they can come out the points we can discuss with our persons, with our business clients, with our customers, with our friends. How can we discuss within a scenario like this? Remove all this. Remove all this. One customer is coming to your friend and one person is coming to your friend. They want or he want or she want a paper or one thing from this from your office. One paper or one any document from your office. How you will find out from this? How can you find out from this? You want some papers or some bill from this. How can you find out this? You want to search at least half a day or a quarter of the day or 1 hour or 2 hours. If you're organizing it in a very well manner, then how much time you will take? Only 1 second, 5 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you will get any documents within your hand. That's the thing. That's the thing happening when we are well organized, well planned, well groomed, well appeared personality, well appeared office. This is the office table looks like. That should be neat. If a person comes, they want to comfortable with that situations. They want to comfortable with that scenario. They want to free to their mind. Then only they can discuss or disclose everything. Like this, we want to manage our reception area. We want to manage our office room of our house. Like this, very neatly. If you have a staff, then that should be neat. The one person, one of the members said, the grooming, the dressing style. Yes, the dressing style of other than us, the dressing style of our staffs also we want to manage. Because only because the problem of our staff only, we will lose our business. We will lose our friendship. If you are a staff of your home, a cleaning staff of your house, behaving to your guests, behaving to your friends who are coming to your house, behaving to in bad manner, or looking like they're dressed or untidy, like that in front of your house. That's how they are feeling. So we want to manage not only us, but also our staffs also, who are working in your house, who are working in your office, who are working in your business, who are working in your institutions. So if you are doing anything in your interior, anything in your inauguration, you are going to inaugurate your new house, you are going to inaugurate your new office, you are going to inaugurate your office, the first month or first year, that is looking like this. Very good manner. But we want to manage it until 5 years or 3 years or 4 years. We want to manage it. Otherwise, there is no loyal customers or no loyal friendship will be there. So we want to consistency of that. If we are managed, if we are well managed that in years and years, then only we can manage our customers prolonged, our friendship prolonged, our relationship, interpersonal relationship prolonged. You will never get a second chance to make a first impression. If you are going to a meeting where untidy dress or unhygienic manner, then the first impression is come to the audience or who are hearing you, who are sitting behind you, who are sitting around you. They all are making a sense, making a prejudiced mind about you. Because you will be there like that. You will be like this in everywhere. You will be like in every time. There, the first thing, the first impression. So we want to make a first impression is the best impression. The second thing, appearance. I am going to tell the appearance. The first thing is appearance. In appearance, we have discussed our grooming. Second thing is the behavioral grooming. In behavioral grooming, we want to manage our punctuality. How many of you reaching your office at the proper time? You are making your front of your office. Your time is 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. How many of you reaching there on time or before 5 minutes? I am. Yes, Nawasa.
I am always.
Yes, I am always. Chandrika madam. Very good.
Yes,
Any
I am
other?
always. Yeah.
Yeah, I am always. Okay. Thank you. So, yes, always you are doing the things, you are going to your job on the proper time. How many of you respecting others' time? If you are giving a time to your friends at 4 p.m. today, evening we will meet on the cafe, on cafe coffee day or any other tea shop. You will be reached at 4 p.m. or not. You will be reached. We want to respect others' time too. If you are, I have a cough. That's why I am recurrently disturbing. I'm really sorry. Okay. If you have we given our time to our family. Example, we are in the morning time. We are discussed with our wife or we are our children. We will going tonight evening 7 p.m. to a hotel or to a picnic park, to a place. They are waiting after the dressing. They are waiting in the house. You are not reaching in the 7 p.m. Why? Then why you are talking that time to them? Their time also the valuable. You think they are no any work in their house? They have many plans in their mind. So we want keep respect to all others in our around us, in our family members, in our friends, in our colleagues, in our office staff, in our higher authorities, etc., etc. We want to keep the punctuality. Punctuality is the successful thing in our business. Punctuality, the Navasar is commented. I think the parents of success of in anywhere. If we want to success, we want to maintain our punctuality. The second thing is politeness. We are discussing, we are talking, we are behaving to our partner, we are behaving to our sons. How? How like that? Is it right? Like rude or not? Rude or polite? Yes or no? It's a rude or not polite?
Polite.
We should behave. We should behave. You should talk in kindfulness manner, in a polite manner. Otherwise, we are talking to our partner, we are talking to our parents in a hard manner, in a rash manner, in a rude manner. Then our childs are growing up. They are growing with seeing like this happening in our family. They are also going to behave like to us, towards us also. They are behaving like this. So they are learned this from ourselves. So we want to keep in mind always. How you behaving to your staffs, how you behaving to your colleagues, how you behaving to your friends. That's the politeness. You want to talk with them in polite manner. You will give a shake hand to them. If you are meeting a person in morning, we should give a shake hand. Then only we can make an interpersonal relationship. The interpersonal relationship, we are making a relationship, we are making a good relationship, we are making a good friendship. Then only we will have some persons when we are facing a problem. If you are facing a problem, you want a friend in front of you for support. You want some persons in front of you to support. Then you want make an interpersonal relationship like this. If you are meeting your partners, if you are meeting your friends, if you are meeting your colleagues, please give them a shake hand. Your customers too, please meet them with a shake hand too. And the phone manners. You are talking to your persons, you are playing with your mobile. Is it okay? Is it okay or not? Hello?
No.
No. If you are giving a time to your friend to talk, then give the time to them. If you're talking to your partner, if you're talking to your child, you're playing with your child in your home in the night time, then you are playing with mobile, then they will be arrogant, they will be in peevish mode. The child will become to peevish mode. They will be in irritant mode. They will be in crying because we are not giving attention to them. So the phone manners also we want to keep. I'm going little fast because we want to make much more points about this professionalism. So the next thing is the forgiveness for others and let go. The best thing in our mind, we want to think or we want to behave like this, the forgiveness. This is a human value. This is a good value we want to follow. This value is not only to some persons only. This value is we want to follow to our partner, follow to our family friends, to follow to our friends, follow to our customers, follow to our staffs, etc. Then only we can manage many problems in a silly manner. We are facing it in a high, without the forgiveness, the problem will become huge. Problem will become higher. So we want to give the forgiveness. Forgiveness is the number one thing to maintain a good relationship, to make a good relationship with the customers too. Then only our customers will come to your shop, to come to your service, to come to your office recurrently. And again they will want to come. You want to forgive others. If your friend want to make your relationship you want with your friends, in always you want that friendship or not. If yes, you want to learn about how you forgive. Everyone in the world, everyone in our world will happening the mistakes. Anyone have the no? I have no mistake in the world. I have no happened any mistake in the world. Anyone is there? I think no. No one is there without any mistake. Mistakes will happen because we are all human beings. Simply, we are all human beings. Human beings will happens the mistakes, happens the problems. So we also want forgiveness from others. So you should behave the forgiveness to others. The next thing, always look towards possibilities, not towards the problems. When you look at the possibilities instead of the problems, the future is filled with endless opportunities. If you're going to a marriage and coming after the marriage to your house or to your friends, the friends is asking or family friends is asking, how is the marriage? We are replying, not problem. You are replying that something in food is not much that. Something seats in the hall is not much that. AC of the cold chilliness of the hall is reduced. The problems will be there in 5%. Out of 100%, 5% is the mistakes will be there. So we are highlighting the 5%. The remaining 95% is a very good manner happened there. But we can't be able to tell what are the 95% is there. Why? We are human beings, the quality human beings, nature is that to find the smallest mistake in others. But we are not finding the mistake in us, in our personal life. So we want to look the possibilities, not for the problems. Problems will be there. We want to face it. We want to look forward that. But your possibilities will be there. Many possibilities will be there. You should focus on that possibility. I think everyone will hear about a story of a chapel company, a story of a apparel company. The company owner has sent 2 employees to a place in Africa. First employee is gone to the Africa and studied about that place, studied about the scenario, and returned back to the owner and said, our company, our chapel company, our apparel company, our footwear company, no chance there because their people are not wearing the chapels, not wearing the footwears. They are barefoot persons. They are not wearing any chapels or any footwears. The other person also studied about that and come to the owner, come to the MD and replied, we have much more opportunity there because nobody is weird their chapel. So we have opportunities. We make our company there. So we can make purchase to sell to all of them. So same thing, same business, same company, same place, but the thing is different because how you think, how you are thinking about that, how you are behaving to like that, how you are approaching to like that, the possibilities is there. If you want to make a good, in a corona situation from 2020 onwards, what happened is there. Many problems will happen to many business persons, to many personalities. Some persons find their pain point from there. That time the Zoom is successful. Zoom is invented before that, but nobody know about the Zoom. How you know about the Zoom? After Corona. This Corona too, they are used very well as an opportunity. And many more home delivery services are used that opportunity and make the business increase. So problems will be there. So we want to make possibilities there. We want to see the possibilities there. So focus on the possibilities. That's appearance. I discussed about the appearance, in our personal appearance, in our behavioral appearance, in our grooming also. And always keep a smile in your mind. The most powerful weapon is the smile. Please keep a smile too. If you are going to a hotel, returning back from the hotel, please give a smile to the staffs of the hotel. Please give a smile to that security staff. If you are coming from your office, please give a smile to your office staff. If you are entering to your house, please give a pleasant smile in your mind. If we have a very rush mind, we have a very business type schedule, we have a very rush in our mind regarding the financial problems, regarding the salary problem, etc., etc. Problems will be there. The problems outside of your home, keep it outside. Don't come to the problem with your house. The problems will be in the office. Problems will be in the outside. That should not
Brought to
brought to your house, brought to your partners, brought to your family members. Because they want your happiness. They want your quality time too. So smiling is the powerful weapon to make a impression, powerful make a impression to make a relationship. So keep smiling. Smiling is nobody is charging for smiling. We have no charge, we have no expenses. So keep smiling. The second thing is, I am discussed about the appearance, first thing. The second thing is
communication.
How we want the communication. Well, communications, the many communications types is there. I am not going to deep communication methods, and we have no time much because communication itself a 3-hour or 4-hour training session. So communication, that's a verbal or non-verbal, etc., etc. Communication means if you have one person to contact with another person by talking, by messaging, by video calling, by direct approach, is the communication. How you can make it a pleasantful communication? How? The 4 things in a communication. You should focus. This is for your business. This is for your personal communication. This is for your making a better relationship. This is for making your house situations to better. You should focus these 4 things. First thing is listening. You should listen your who is sitting in front of you. First, a customer is coming to you, you listen to them. Then only you can identify what is the pain point of your customer, what is the need of that customer. Then only you can give the solution. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we can't able to tell what are the things we want to say. All are telling like that a radio. That's not a good thing. We want to listen also. We have only 1 mouth and 2 ears. You know that? So more listening, only less telling. So if we want to make a proper communication, you should listen to your partner, you should listen to your child, you should listen to your customers, you should listen to your staffs, etc., etc. Then listening is the important thing. Many persons have not any relationship to share their problems, share their problems to anyone. That makes them to suicidal or anything, depression like that. If you have any problem, you should share to others. like that. If you have a person, if you have a good man, we want to listen the persons around you. So the second thing is eye contact. If you are talking to a person, you are looking to your mobile phone, you are looking to there, you are looking to there. Not like that. You are looking to their eyes. They want to feel you are looking to them, you are listening to them, you are giving time to them, and you are giving empathetically to them. They want to feel that. If they want to feel that, we want to keep our eye contact to them. Please keep our eye contact to the all participants, all persons, all business persons, all family members. So if you are talking to a person, please keep an eye contact. Don't look there and look there. Give the respect of their time. The third thing is good relation. Make a good relation. Like we have previously said, the good smiling, giving a handshake, giving a talking with kindfulness, giving the respecting their time, etc. That make the good relationship. If you have a good relationship, then you will make a good communication. If you are not in a good relationship with your friend, you can't able to talk with them in a eye contact. You can't able to satisfy them, your product, or satisfy your problem with them. So you want to make a good relationship too. The last one is briefing. If you are a business person, if your customer is in front of you, all things customers share to you, and you make the eye contact to them, and you are making the good relationship. After that, only you want to brief about your service. You want to brief about your product. Simply, but humbly, but briefly. Don't talk like that, blah, 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 blah. Just to tell in a precisely and concisely and briefly, simply, shortly. What are the things you have? What are the problems you have? Please open your mind to your partner. Please open your mind to your friends. Please open your mind to your colleagues. Then only we can avoid many problems. Many problems are like that. So we should brief the problem. The fourth thing in the communication. First is the
Listening.
First is the listening. The second thing is the
Eye contact.
keep eye contact. The third thing is
Maintaining good relation.
maintaining the good relationship, and the fourth thing is
Briefing.
briefing. Okay, thank you all. And we are going to time management. We are going to discuss in our breakout room to what are the things we want to what are the things we want to identify or we want to manage in our time management. I am going to make 4 groups, total 4 groups. I think here 48 members now. We are going to make 4 groups. Each group have around 15 to 16 participants will be there. So every group should be there a leader to present what are the points they discussed in the floor. After the group discussion, we will come again to the main hall. Do you get it? After the group discussion, we are coming to the main hall. Then the one person from the group should present the 3 to 4 points from that group. Only simple points. Don't take too much time. Just take a 10 second or 5 second to say the simple points only. So I will give the 3 to 4 minutes for the group discussion. Everything will get a pop message to enter the group. Please accept that and go to that group, and I will make that group. First thing is, please find out a person to present that points after the group discussion. Please make a person and discuss all within the 3 to 4 hours. After the 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, I will disclose the breakout rooms, and everyone will come to the main room or main hall. I'm going to make 4 groups now. Anyone have any doubts?
No.
No. Okay. I'm going to make at least 15 to 16 participants will be there in each group. Okay. I'm going to make a Sri sir, are you there? Please support to someone who are not. Please support. You are also a co-host. Okay. I think there is a room come.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Please join that.
ഞാനൊന്ന് ഔട്ടായി പോയി, ഒന്നും കേൾക്കണില്ലല്ലോ. ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് ഇതില് ഗ്രൂപ്പില്? Is there anybody?
അതേ അവസ്ഥ തന്നെ എനിക്കും. ഞാൻ ഔട്ടായി.
Okay, okay. I think JC Assis Vilambaram may be our group leader. Please start the discussion. Assis sir.
What are the assignments? If any task, Nava sir, is any task?
What are the points to be included in the time management? One, to make a to-do list. Second, prioritizing. Third, okay, time is up. Assis sir is our leader. Please present.
So, you can see, sir.
Yes, we are here. I think our Dr. Hisham is not there. He didn't come. Oh, all are yet to come. Okay, okay.
Yeah. 4350. Okay.
Hello. Hello. I
Yes.
think everyone come back.
Ah,
Is
yes.
it? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I hope everyone discussed very well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. I think everyone have a new experience like this. Someone already experienced like that. I think.
Yes.
Okay. So first person, first room. who
Yeah.
is going to present?
Myself. Oh, I am in four room number 4.
Okay. Okay. Please, Sandrina madam, please tell in within seconds.
Yeah. Actually, first point is we should know what is our activities, what are the activities, and we should prepare a to-do list so that we will be we can identify we can clearly identify clarity in what is to be done. That is one point. Then another point is we have to prioritize whatever work we have to do, that prioritize. We should know what is important thing, what we have to do, by ourselves. And unimportant thing, whatever work we have to, we need not do, we can simply delete it. And other things, certain things we need not go, we ourselves need not do, we can delegate to somebody else. They will do it. So likewise, we can, and we have to be important thing we have to remember is about discipline. We have to keep discipline always. That we should remember, and allocate time. That is but again we have to allocate time for each activity. We have to allocate time.
Okay,
Then-
thank you, Chandrika madam.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Next group.
Group number 3.
Group number 3. Okay.
Okay. We discussed a lot of points. The important points are, as Chandrika ma'am said, prioritize to-do list. Then planning. Planning is a must. Avoid multitasking as far as possible. Delegate as far as possible. Effective and brief communication. Assertiveness always. And avoid procrastination and
Okay,
briefing
okay.
technique.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hyder Ali sir. The second group.
Yes.
Which is the second group?
Hello.
Hello.
Which is in our group?
Group 1,
Hello. Group.
Group 1. Priya, Group 1.
Group
Yeah.
1, ma'am.
Okay. Priya
Yeah.
madam, tell.
Yeah. Actually, time management is a valuable skill for personal and professional success.
Yes,
It's first we need set clear goals, then prioritize tasks. Hello.
Yes. We are good.
Yeah, it's need use a schedule, create a schedule and stick to it to stay organized and on track.
Okay.
Yeah, then avoid multitasking, manage distractions, then take breaks first,
Okay.
then last, learn to say no. Be mindful of taking on too much and learn to say no to non-essential tasks.
Yes.
Then
Thank you.
use technology wisely.
Technology. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Priya madam. Next, second group.
Yes, sir, I am this is Vijay Fode Bhaskar from John 4.
Yes.
As
Yes,
per
sir.
our discussions, we are noticing that we have to time block our day. As per the time blocks, we have to prioritize our works. Then we have to proceed without any barriers regarding that. As another person said that we can assign some works to the other people also who can do without our permission or our involving, so that we
Delegation.
can complete all the tasks. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all for your response. Thank you, Chandrika madam. Thank you, Hyder Ali sir. Thank you, Priya madam. And thank you, Uday Bhaskar sir. Thank you all participants for who all are attended this discussion. So many points we are discussed about the time management. We have no time too much more discuss about that. First thing, how we can manage the time. The one thing is the decision matrix. The many persons are saying that decide, delegation, like that, and eliminate it, etc. This thing is 4 quadrant of the time management. How we can prioritize our time. If you have a work to do that's urgent and important, then you do it now. Don't procrastinate. Don't avoid it. Please do it now. If you have not urgent and but important, then you schedule it. Schedule it for the next week. Schedule it for the next month, or schedule it after for 2 days. Then you will get the time. Schedule it. If that's not urgent but important. If you have a work that's urgent but not important to you, but that's the work is urgent, so you can delegate it. Who can do that work for you? Who can do that work for your company? Like that, delegate it. And the things like that, not urgent and not important. We are spending 5 hours for a game, playing game, 5 hours for Instagram. Please delete it. So not urgent and not important, please delete it. Prioritize your all work, all things according to Eisenhower decision matrix. This is the Eisenhower decision matrix. Do, decide, delegate, or delete. Do, decide, delegate, or delete. The time management things, we want to control some things in our life. We want to control some habits. We want to make alerts for the habits. We want to make some alerts for remembrance. We want to make efficient works to make things in a proper time. We want to make reminders what the things we want to do in the next week, what with the time what we want to do in the today's evening. We want to make a reminders, and also prioritizing. The all persons are said the 1 point prioritizing also. We want to prioritizing according to this decision metrics, what the things we want to do for, what the things we want to schedule it like that, and the planning, everything we are coming under this super goal, and after that the planning. The goal and the planning comes for the proper time management. Then we can manage all things by prioritizing and controlling our unwanted things like that. These are the important things we want to focus in time management. The last thing is the improvement of learning, continuous learning. Continuous learning is the fourth thing in our point. The continuous improvement. We want to improve our knowledge. We want to improve our wisdom. We want to improve our skills. We want to improve our professional atmosphere. We want to improve, update our office also. So that's the continuous. There's a continuous. There's a constant. There should be a constant, and there should be a continuous improvement. If you are doing
some
voice there.
Yeah.
Sir, please unmute others. Let the trainer go.
Okay. Waller, please mute some. Okay. I think it's now clear. Please make a continuous learning. Continuous learning is the update also. If you have check your mobile phone, you will see any application in your phone is taking without updation. You can't use it. You can't use it. If you take a phone, you are coming updation monthly or 2 monthly coming updation to WhatsApp, Instagram, any other application in your mobile phone. If you are don't going to update your application, you can't use it anymore. You can't use it very precisely. You can't use it very clearly. So if you want to use that, you want to update. So if you want to live in the world, you want to update. If you want to make success, you want to update. If you want to make the benefits from your success, benefits from your life, benefits from your friends, like the relationship, you want to update. If you are inaugurated your office, inaugurated your house before 4 years, before 10 years, you should update that. You should update with the new ideas, with the new technologies. The customers are again and come to your office. There should be a new thing to identify for them. Then only then we can maintain. Maintenance is that. The maintenance is the continuous improvement and updation. You should update in our personal performance, in our behavior. We want to change. That's the thing we are going to discuss. This is the first thing what we discussed. The first 4 points. First thing. What is the thing we are discussing? The first thing.
Appearance.
Yes, appearance. In appearance, what are the things coming? Communication in appearance. I'm not saying the another point. In appearance, what are the things coming?
Behavior.
Dressing, neat and tidy.
Style, our dressing style, our looking style, our personal behavioral style like that. Thank you. The second thing is
Communication.
How to behave, how to communicate well. What are the 4 points of communication?
Listening.
The second point,
Eye
Eye
contact.
contact.
Third thing is
Good relation.
good relation. The fourth thing is
Briefing.
briefing. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you. The third point is we are discussing in groups.
Time management.
Time management. We want to make a goal and planning and prioritizing and avoid or controlling our habits. And we want to make a prioritizing tablet decision metrics. Do, decide, delegate or delete. And the last is the updation or continuous learning. Yes, thank you all. These all are the recap point we should take away from this training. Physical appearance of a person, appearance of your office, appearance of your home, appearance of your workplace, behavioral appearance, listening to a person, effective communication, time management, prioritizing your time, prioritizing your work, prioritizing your things, continuous learning and updation. These all are the main takeaways you got from this training session. Thank you all. Thank you, Chairman sir, Sri sir.
Okay, Ishan sir, please stop the screen sharing.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hisham sir,
Yes.
what happened here for one hour to hear? What happened? Okay, that's make a difference. That's JCI. Let's make a difference. Hisham sir, you
Yes,
are an outstanding trainer. Your
Thank you.
impact will be left for years to come. The
Thank you,
sessions
thank
are truly impressive, and you are keep shining.
Thank
you. Your passion for teaching is remarkable. Make a difference. Your ability to simplify complex concepts is impressive. Thank you for your work hard. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Shriji sir.
Okay, right. കുറച്ചു നേരം എല്ലാവരും എവിടേക്കായിരുന്നു എന്നാണ് എല്ലാവരും മുഖത്തെയും വായിച്ചെടുത്തത്. എവിടേക്ക് കുറച്ചു നേരം എവിടേക്ക് എല്ലാവരും പോയി എന്നുള്ളത് വാസ്തവമാണ്. അതിൽ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് മാറ്റമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചൊരു കാര്യം, നമ്മുടെ ആ ഒരു പുതിയ ബ്രേക്ക്ഔട്ട് റൂം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതിന് ശേഷം എവിടേക്കോ പലരും അങ്ങനെ എനിക്ക് പലരും മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചു ഞാൻ എവിടെയാണെന്ന്. പലരും അലഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു എവിടെയാണെന്നുള്ളൊരു ഐഡിയ. അതൊരു
അതിനുശേഷം എല്ലാരും അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയാതെ കുറെ ആൾക്കാർ പോയി തോന്നുന്നു ആ ഒരു ഇതിലേക്ക്.
അതെ എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചതെന്ന് അറിയാതെ. വേറെ ഒന്നും സംഭവിക്കണം, അവിടെ തന്നെ സ്റ്റേണായി നിന്നാ മതി. നമ്മൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും റൂമിൽ എത്തും. ഞാനും പ്രിയ മാഡം, ശ്രീ സാർ, ശ്രീ ഒരു ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ലൈൻ ശ്രീ ശ്രീ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your full name, please.
Arumugham. Yes, he's Hisham's co-colleague, sir.
Oh,
Interpret, yes, sir.
Arumugham.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, you are from?
Tamil Nadu, Zone 23.
Oh, Zone 23, Tamil Nadu. Sir, you are the special guest for today, our session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. My room totally controlled to Arumugham, sir. Special thanks to Arumugham, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ഞാൻ മുന്നേ പറഞ്ഞു ഞാനും എവിടേക്കോ എത്തി, ഏതോ റൂമിലെത്തി, പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ പിടുത്തം വിട്ടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് തിരിച്ചു വന്നത്. പലരും കൊഴിഞ്ഞു പോയി. ഇതൊരു ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഡിഫറൻ്റ് ആണ്. അതായത് സൂം നമ്മളെ ശരിക്ക് ഷംസ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് അപ്ഡേഷൻ്റെ ഭാഗം തന്നെയായിരുന്നു. നമ്മളെ ഒരു റൂം ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് റൂമിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോയി തിരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. ഇനിയുള്ള കാലഘട്ടങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്മൾ പിടിച്ചു നിൽക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഇത്തരം സംഭവങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ സ്വായത്തമാക്കിയേ തീരും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഏതായാലും ഇന്നൊരു ഡിഫറൻ്റ് ഉള്ള ഒരു ടോപ്പിക് തന്നെ ആയിരുന്നു. അതിലുപരി ഒരു ഡിഫറെന്റ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു ഇതിൽ കൂടി എല്ലാവർക്കും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ശരിക്ക് ടൈം പോയത് അറിഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും സമയം എത്രത്തോളം എത്തി എന്നുള്ളത് ശരിക്കും ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂറിന് ലാഘവം തന്നെ ഇന്ന് ഏകദേശം 8:14 എത്തി നിൽക്കുമ്പോഴും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഓപ്പൺ ഫോർ ആൻഡ് ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക്.
Dr. Hisham, just like it was heavy rain, I felt as if heavy rain was there. Continuous flow of words, continuous flow of English. That about the topic, of course, I didn't tell anything about the entire session, how it went. It is from the responses during the session, we could understand how people understood you, how people have taken you, and all these things. Actually, you have entered into the hearts of everyone directly at the initial stage itself. And you were able to catch the entire audience with you. That is your success. And other things I did not explain about the session. 4 important points about how to be professional in our entire aspects of our life. Not only our personal life, professional life, everywhere we have to be professional. We have to be professionally, we have to move with everywhere, wherever we are. Okay, so about that you have explained with the full messages flowing to us. Thank you so much for your wonderful session. Thank you so much, and all the very best to you for becoming national, international, not national. You are already a national trainer, for becoming international trainer. Thank you. All the best.
Okay, thank you, Chandriya. Thank you. Continue.
Hi. Yeah. Hisham sir.
Yes, Priya madam.
Today's training was exceptionally helpful and knowledgeable, offering valuable insights for both personal and professional growth. Chandrika already said that. I appreciated how the training seamlessly connected personal growth principles to professional applications, making it a truly holistic experience. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hello, Dr. Hisham.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Chairman, for your wonderful opportunity to participate in today's online session. Thank you, Dr. Hisham Haidar, sir. Really hearty congratulations on your wonderful, excellent, dynamic presentation on the topic, unlocking professionalism. Really, you seem to be so great that 72 participants, they joined today's online session. Really, that itself shows your record. Yes, very good. So nice of you. The way you presented, so clear, so dynamic. So you were bombarding actually with the words within a short span of 70-75 minutes. Yes, by starting with poll and ended with a time management breakout room session. Excellent performance by giving on appearance, communication, and time management and update. So nice of you, sir. Wish you all the best. Thank you,
sir.
May God bless you.
Thank you, Armo sir. Thank you for your sweet words. உங்க தமிழ்நாடு நாங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
வெல்கம் சார். வாங்க வாருங்கள்.
Okay, thank you.
நன்றி.
Okay, thank you sir. Sir, continue. Uday Bhaskar sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, Chairman, sir.
Okay,
And all the team people over here. Thank you very much. What a performance, sir, Hisham Haidar, sir. Wonderful, sir. You shown that how a professional trainer should be in a training hall. You blocked every mind of the people. So thank you very much for your information, and the knowledge you shared is ultimately very useful for all of us. Definitely it will be the outstanding performance from your side once again. So thank you very much, sir. All the points from the appearance to the time management, how you managed everything in this entire session with an engaging professional way is absolutely 100%. Thank you for this opportunity to join in this hall also. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, sir.
Uday sir, you are from?
I am from Zone 4, sir. I am also a co-participant from Hisham, sir.
Okay, from?
Yes. From Zone 4, sir, Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
Telugu, yes, sir.
Very good. You are the today's special guest in our Zoom plateau. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
for your presence and more feedback. Most valuable words. Okay, thank you. Who is next?
Hello, Dr. Hisham. It was a very wonderful session. You have done a session on professionalism with great professionalism. There was a good ice breaking. It was a very interactive session, and you include also a voting procedure. It was wonderful, and good gestures also, and also well dressed. Very good voice modulation. Very good eye contact. It was dynamic. Congratulations. It was really excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, Idali sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you. I have noted you, but you are very clear observer, and you some points are noted that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Who is next?
Hisham sir,
Yes.
wonderful training, sir. And nothing to mention. First of all, I congratulate you to attend first 1 hour session in 7 a.m. morning drive. That too in English, in a very professional manner. You are very interactive, engaging all the audience by using polls and all training methods. I was expelled out in the break room, so that I had to re-enter in the session. Anyway, it was a very brilliant effort to such a wonderful training. Thank you, Ishan sir. Okay.
താങ്ക് യു നവാസ് സാർ ഫോർ യുവർ മോസ്റ്റ് വാല്യുബിൾ വേർഡ്സ്. ഞാൻ കരുതിയതേ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളിപ്പോ അതിൽ പൊതുവെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ മാത്രമേ വോട്ട് ഓഫ് താങ്ക്സ് പറയാമുള്ളൂ, അങ്ങനൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ ഹിഷാം സാറല്ലേ? അങ്ങനൊന്നുമില്ല കേട്ടാ. നമുക്ക് പറ്റുന്ന രീതിയിൽ 2 വാക്ക് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് പ്രിജാമേടൊക്കെ പോകണം എന്നാണ് എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഇത്. പ്രിജാമേടൊക്കെ ഫുൾ തയ്യാറ്. അവിടെ കിച്ചണിലായാൽ പോലും വീഡിയോ വിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചതേ. നവാസ് സാറെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് റൂമിൽ പോയാൽ തിരിച്ച് വരുമോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്ന് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. കാരണം പുള്ളി എൻ്റെ സെറ്റ് ഡബ്ല്യൂസ് കൊളീഗായിരുന്നു. പുള്ളി ഏത് റൂമിൽ പോയാലും പിന്നെ തിരിച്ചു വരില്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. വളരെ സന്തോഷം. ഓക്കെ, കണ്ടിന്യൂ.
ശ്രീജിത്ത് സർ, ഒരു ലീഡർ എങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളതിന് ബോസും ലീഡറും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ് പറയുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. എന്ത് ട്രെയിനിങ് എന്ത് കാര്യം ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. ആ ഒരു സിസ്റ്റമാണ് ഹിഷാം സർ ഇവിടെ നമ്മളുടെ മുന്നിൽ ഇപ്പം ചൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമുക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ലീഡറെയാണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്.
തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും
ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി നൈസ്. ബിക്കോസ് കാണിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ മുന്നിൽ ആദ്യം സർ തന്നെ എടുത്തു. ദെൻ നമുക്ക് ഇനി നല്ല നല്ല സെഷൻസ് എല്ലാ പിന്നെ സൺഡേയും കിട്ടുമല്ലോ. ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷം.
നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈമിൽ നമുക്ക് അർമുഖൻ സാറിന്റെ തമിഴ് പഠിക്കാം.
തമിഴ്, ഹിന്ദി,
ഉദയസാഗർ ഉണ്ട് വിശാഖപട്ടണത്ത് നിന്ന്. നമുക്ക് ഇനി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കുറച്ചും ഫ്ലുവന്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ,
ഹിന്ദി എല്ലാം കിട്ടുമല്ലോ.
എല്ലാം വരാനുണ്ട്. ഹിന്ദി ഞാൻ മുന്നേ തുടക്കം വെച്ചല്ലോ. എല്ലാം വരും, എല്ലാം തീരുമാനമാവും. റൈറ്റ്,
ശരി ശരി.
ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ്. ഹു ഈസ് നെക്സ്റ്റ്? ഹിഷാം സാർ, പലർക്കും ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടെന്ന്. ഇന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഒരു പ്രശ്നം.
8:30 അമ്പലത്തിൽ പോവാൻ റെഡിയായി. ഫാമിലി അവിടെ താഴെ കാത്തു നിൽക്കുക.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, എന്നാലും ആടുന്ന ഊഞ്ഞാല് കിട്ടുന്നില്ല എന്നുള്ളത് വലിയൊരു സന്തോഷമാണ്. റൈറ്റ്,
താഴെ ഭയങ്കര തിരക്ക്. അപ്പൊ മുകളിൽ കയറിയതാ, വേറെ നിവൃത്തിയില്ല.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ്. എന്നാ നമുക്ക് ഇനി ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് സെഷൻ, ടുഡേ സെഷൻ വെരി ഡിഫറെന്റ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് JCI ക്യാപ്ഷൻ ലെറ്റ്സ് മേക്ക് എ ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്നുള്ളത് തന്നെയാണ്. ഏതായാലും ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഏകദേശം 1 മണിക്കൂർ തുടങ്ങി വെച്ചതെങ്കിലും 1 മണിക്കൂറും 24 മിനിറ്റും നമ്മൾ എടുത്തു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അതുതന്നെയാണ് ഇത്രത്തോളം പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ് ഉള്ള ആ ഒരു പങ്കാളിത്തം തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ വിജയം എന്നുള്ളത് തന്നെയാണ്. ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 33 പേരുണ്ട്. ഈ 33 പേരും നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയ മാഡത്തിന്റെ പ്രാർത്ഥനയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തും എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ കരുതുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു പ്രിയ മാം.
തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും.
Okay, I request vote of thanks to propose Suja Alkumar madam. Suja ma'am, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's my first experience. I am not expecting to choose me to say vote of thanks. First of all, I thank to PPT Chitra ma'am to introduce a wonderful section for all. Then today's faculty and the chairman of the JCI, Dr. Hisham sir. Sir, today's section is a very, very wonderful section. No words to say. Unlocking professionalism. It's a new experience for all. Today's voting section is very, very excellent. It is new new experience for all. So I thanks to Hisham sir, then PPT Chitra ma'am and Srijit sir for choosing me to say vote of thanks. Yeah. Then okay. I again thanks to Srijit sir to you choose me to say vote of thanks. Then I say thanks to all participants. Today's section, no words to say this section. Sir, thank you, Hisham sir. Thank you.
ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു സുജ മാം. സുജ മാം എവിടെയാണ്? ഞാൻ പലപ്പോഴും ഇത് കാണാറുണ്ട്.
വർക്കല.
ഓ, വർക്കലല്ലേ? ഓ, അടിപൊളി. ഓക്കെ, വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഞാൻ സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കാണാറുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ആളെ എവിടെയെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിയാറില്ല. ഓക്കെ,
ഞാൻ ICCSL മാർക്കറ്റിംഗിലാണ്. ICCSL ഇന്ത്യൻ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് സൊസൈറ്റിയുടെ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് സെക്ഷനിലാണ്.
ഓ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ഷിനു സാറെ ടീമിലായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
സാറാണ് എന്റെ ബോസ്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ വെരി ഗുഡ് വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ
ഓക്കെ,
ഓക്കെ.
താങ്ക് യു.
ഞാനും
Okay.
ഇന്ത്യൻ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് സൊസൈറ്റി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
ആഹാ വെരി ഗുഡ് വെരി ഗുഡ്.
ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ നാഷണൽ ടോപ്പർ ആയിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ
ഓക്കെ മാം. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
പ്രിയ
വെരി ഗുഡ്.
പ്രിയാമണി മണികണ്ഠൻ.
ഓക്കെ
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.